हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। हम लोग यहाँ पर स्विमिंग की ट्रेनिंग के लिए आए हैं और जॉनस मेरी चेयर लेके जा रहा है। बिफोर ही स्टार्ट हिज ट्रेनिंग, ये उसका काम है कि चेयर ओपन अप करके, स्ट्रेट अप करके, अच्छे से सेटअप करके मुझे दे के जाना है उसे। 2 घंटे की इनकी ट्रेनिंग होती है, तो मैं घर जाऊँ और वापस आऊँ उसमें बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा, इसलिए मैं यहीं पर वेट करती हूँ।
I want to see
What is my name?
Auntie Lisa.
Auntie Lisa. What is your name? MG. You remember my name? Thank you for the chocolate you gave me.
It's not chocolate.
It's not chocolate?
It's sweetie.
It's sweetie. Oh yes, I'm sorry. Thank you for the sweetie.
You okay? You don't need to say thank you.
I don't need to say thank you. That's so kind of you. How old are you? What is this? 5? Wow, you're so kind for 5-year-old.
And 6 and all the numbers and one even 100.
Ah, really?
Yeah, and 200.
And 200?
Yeah, and 1,000,000.
And 1 million. Wow.
And when we go to 1,000,000, we don't have no more school to go, right?
Yes, after 1 million, no school, right? No school after 1 million.
Yeah.
That's right. Makes sense, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you swim? What are you doing here then? People come here for swimming. See? Such a big pool. Such a big nice pool. You don't swim? Swimming is amazing. You must try it.
But I only swim on Sunday.
Oh, you swim on Sundays? That's nice.
And Mondays.
And Mondays? That's awesome.
All the Mondays and all Sundays. Can I see our games?
You want to see the game? Okay.
I want to see the game on the phone.
I have no game in my phone.
That's your phone?
No, that's my child phone. That's my baby's phone.
Is game on it?
I think so.
Just look.
Just look. Okay, I don't know how to play this game. Do you know? Oh no. I got to go now, okay? I'll see you tomorrow. Alright? Oh no. It's not working?
Oh, yeah.
Never mind.
Huh?
Oh, never mind. I got to go. Alright? Bye.
My teams. These are my team members. That's my coach, the black guy right there. Oh, that's my coach. He's the 5th best coach in Jamaica right now. My secondary coach, Karen, right there. Team members, members. One guy over there. other people over there.
Three. Baby.
That's another coach right there. And I can't see my Asian friend. So yeah, I'm just at training. Right now I'm on break. Alright, yeah, it's videoing. Yo, we all do front flip together. We all do front flip together.
Guys, watch me.
Wait, I just need to angle it perfectly. Back up.
Okay.
Yo, Junior. Wait, I'm gonna see where I'm gonna go. Junior. Ready? See?
Water is getting.
Alright, climb up, yo.
That must have been cool. Let's go again. That must have been cool. Ready? Step. And your front flip.
Yeah, man, sure. Right Hey! What kind of style is that? What kind of style is that? Hello, sir. One hand at a time. One hand at a time. One. Up. Yeah, let's go. Hey. 4 points over 4. And the next time, hold the head down. You want to come over here and put the head down? You want me to come and show down, just put the head down? 4 points over and the head down in the pool. Go ahead. 4. Where's Leah? Hurry up, ma'am, hurry up. Why are you dropping me back? Keep your legs. That's it.
Some big swimmers are here.
And some little swimmers.
And some little swimmers, right? This little swimmer here. Jonas, come down from there. He's not coming.
Who's that? Who's that?
Huh?
Who's that?
He's MJ.
Who's huh?
Hey?
Who's he?
He's my friend.
He's not customizing his own skin.
Come down, Jonas. Ready?
I'll carry my phone.
Okay. Junior will take mommy's chair.
Yeah, sure. You can cry forever.
Mommy, I'll hold my phone.
Okay, let's go. Jonas,
Mommy.
आजा. स्विमिंग से आ गए, बच्चे लोग अभी चेंज कर रहे हैं. चेंज हो गया? ओके, हटाओ ये. हो गया चेंज तो. चेंज कर लिया. भूख लगी है? चलो शोरमा खाने चले. चलो ठीक है.
Bro, shawarma with flash, and then we're gonna, bro, shawarma with flash, and then we're gonna watch some Oliver, no, and then we're gonna watch some Cobra Kai. Dap. Sure, or Dap. Watch.
लड़ लो.
Evan. Watch. So let's say his hands are full, right? Are we doing this, and then we'll. Like a game.
फुल ट्रैफिक है.
I'm gonna play the boredom game.
दूर तक ट्रैफिक है. Okay, we stop at shawarma place on our way back home to buy 2 shawarmas or
Yeah, there's 65.
my signature fries.
How much are you at? I like 29.
Chris is not here.
This is my favorite signature fries. स्विमिंग से आने के बाद जॉनस इज़ कंप्लेनिंग कि उसके कान में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, तो मैं ये थोड़ा सा कोकोनट ऑयल लिया है मैंने. इसमें मैं ऑनियन और गार्लिक थोड़ा फ्राई करूँगी और इसका ऑयल उसके कान में डाल के थोड़ा सा ठंडा करके उसके कान में डालूँगी. होपफुली विद दिस रेमेडी कल सुबह तक वो ठीक हो जाएगा.
My forehead's flat actually.
No, you are flat.
No, I'm not.
No, bro, your forehead too big.
I'm 3D.
No, bro, you are 2D.
Turn to your right ears.
Is there alcohol mixed in that or lemon?
Please, hell no.
Cause it's gonna burn.
This is it.
God, help me. Help me.
This will be like done.
प्रिकॉशन के लिए डॉक्टर ने ये ऑयल बेस्ड ईयर स्प्रे दिया है ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम जब ये स्विमिंग के लिए जाएं तो ये कान में ये स्प्रे करके फिर जाएं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट डॉक्टर ने ये ऑगमेंटेन कहा है उसे देने के लिए. ये एक एंटीबायोटिक है जो मैं दे रही हूँ. जॉनस ने आज तक कभी कोई टैबलेट सॉलो नहीं किया. फर्स्ट टाइम वो टैबलेट सॉलो करने वाला है आज. कान में जो तेल डाला है वो बाहर ना निकल जाए इसलिए मैं उसे थोड़ा सा कॉटन का पीस दे रही हूँ ताकि वो कान में डाल दे. ओके हाँ ठीक है. इट्स ओके निकलेगा. इट्स ओके इट्स ओके
It's okay.
इट्स ओके कम.
One of the best things about Peter Rabbit is its humor. The film is oriented toward or to highlight a character's personality. Another good thing about the film
Swallow?
is its animation.
Not fully.
The film is distressing
हाँ
and
ठीक है.
does a great job of bringing the British water characters to the life. The film's rabbits are particularly well animated and they look like
डन. आई होप ये वीकेंड में ठीक हो जाए क्योंकि मंडे से फिर से ट्रेनिंग शुरू होने वाली है.